So, there's squeezy cheese. There's little soft, squishy animals. There's a whole raft of squishy things. 2 toes. Squeezy, glittery things. We've got puffle pets. We've got these strange little creatures in little costumes. How cute is that? There's cute little animals in their houses. And then there's the cool Marvel heroes. They are so cool. There's the Go Nuts. You ready?
Can I do the job?
Go on then.
Right, can you open this one? Can you tell me which one it is? Can you tell me what
This
it
one says Gemstone Bling Beadie. That's it, we've got them there.
Oh,
What have we got? Oh, what have I got this time? I've got a glitter critter. Have a look at your glittered pal. Glittered sticky pal. Oh! You've got a turtle. So you've just had a turtle. But this one's like full of air.
But that one's not the same.
It's not quite the same. Which one are we going for next? Which one are we going? Looky pig, looky dip. What we got next? Let's have a look. This says glitter jelly cord.
Don't forget.
I like that big
Don't get it beaded. Don't get it beaded.
beads, full of beads. I love it. So this is what we've got so far. I like the emoji poopy. Right, what have we got next? Let's have a look. Oh, galactic globe one. Look.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's probably just the planet.
Pop it in the box. Oh, I think you've put the egg together. It's a bit like what we've had before, I think. Right, let's have a look. What are you going for next? Oh, you can do that one. It's not got the label on. Gosh, so we've got lots of things. We've got squishies, soft squishies. These are glow in the dark. And the transparent dinosaurs. We've got the globbers, really